In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view LinkedIn profiles in private mode. If you want to research employers, recruiters, or potential collaborators without revealing your identity, LinkedIn's private mode is the simplest way to do it, and it only takes a moment to set up. Start by opening LinkedIn in your web browser or launching the LinkedIn app, then sign into your account. Make sure you're on your main feed or homepage so the navigation is easy to find. If you use more than one LinkedIn account, double check you're logged into the right one before changing settings. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile photo. On mobile, you'll usually tap your profile picture or your initials in the top area. This opens your account menu where you can access all your preferences. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn groups the controls for your account, data, and how you appear to others. If you're on the app, this section may open in a new screen. On desktop, it will open in a new tab. On the left side of the settings page, click the Visibility tab. This is the area that controls who can see your activity, your connections, and how your profile is shown across LinkedIn. It's a good page to get familiar with if you care about privacy. Scroll until you find profile viewing options. This setting determines what other people see when you look at their profiles. It might include brief descriptions under the option, such as showing your name and headline, a limited profile characteristic, or complete anonymity. Click Profile Viewing Options and choose Private Mode. With Private Mode turned on, when you visit someone's profile, they'll see an anonymous viewer rather than your name or details. A quick note here, enabling Private Mode also limits your ability to see exactly who viewed your own profile while the setting is active. That's by design, so keep it in mind if you regularly check your viewer list. Once you've selected Private Mode, you're all set to start browsing. Visit profiles as you normally would, and your identity will remain hidden. If you don't see the change take effect immediately, refresh the page or close and reopen the app. You can return to the same setting at any time to switch back to showing your name when you no longer need to browse privately. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.